You made a great YouTube video, but that's just the first step. Now you need people to watch it. How do you grab their attention? Thumbnails are like mini ads for your videos. They are the first thing viewers see. They show up in search results and next to your video title, making a strong first impression. A good thumbnail makes people curious. It sparks their interest. It's a sneak peek that says, "Click me." It invites them to explore more. You have a boring thumbnail, people scroll right past, you lose potential viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about thumbnails. You know, in a sea of YouTube videos, your thumbnail is the first impression that makes someone decide whether or not to click on your video. It's the difference between standing out or getting lost in the crowd. So having an eye-catching, professional thumbnail can literally be the key to growing your channel. Think about it. When you're scrolling through YouTube, what grabs your attention first? It's not the title or even the video length, it's the thumbnail. A well-designed thumbnail boosts your click-through rate and instantly tells viewers that your content is worth watching. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this stunning, professional-looking thumbnail using Canva. And guess what? You can do it in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's free to sign up. I have the pro version of Canva because it gives me unlimited capabilities. Once you're in, type YouTube thumbnail into the search bar to bring up the correct template size, 1280 by 720 pixels. Now to create your thumbnail, you have two options. Choose one of Canva's pre-made templates or start fresh with a blank canvas. For this video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom thumbnail in no time. Since we are making a custom thumbnail, the first thing we do is to add a background. I am going to use the blank YouTube thumbnail. Select it and let's begin by adding a background. You can pick a solid color, a gradient, or an image from Canva's huge library. Or if you want something more personal, upload your own image. But in this case, I'm going to use a modern office background, which I got by searching for a modern office picture in Elements. Any image you see with the crown is included if you have a pro version of Canva. I have a pro version of Canva, so I will use this one. I will put the image on the canvas by clicking on it and setting it as background or by sliding it. You will see when it's bigger and just release the click and it will fit it nicely on the canvas. Now I will blur the picture. I will go right here on Effects and select Blur. Select the whole image and put the intensity to your liking. I like it right here. The reason we blur the background is because the background should support your text and images without distracting them. Leave that page editing and we will now put in the picture. Next, let's add some images or icons to give your thumbnail that extra punch. If you are the focus of your video, upload a clear, high-quality image of yourself. Otherwise, use images or icons from Canva's Elements tab to add personality. In this case, we will use the picture of a smiling girl. I will search in Elements again. I like this one, so I will use this picture here. Just like before I click on it for it to go on the canvas, we will go ahead and remove her background by going to Edit, then Magic Studio and Background Remover. It actually doesn't take that long. Because of the way I want to place the text, I will go ahead and flip the image horizontally. I feel that putting a picture of person with an emotion personalizes it. You can play around with the size and position. You want the thumbnail to be visually balanced, so don't be afraid to experiment a little. I think it looks good now. Now, let's add the most important part, your text. Click the Text tab and choose a large, bold font. I start by using Add a Heading and then edit it to my liking. Not more than 5 words. I put in 4 headings and then change the text. We will write $1,000 per month passive income. Your text should be clear and easy to read, even on small screens. As I am doing this, I change the font size to 150 and 200. I generally like to use between 70 to 150 and sometimes bigger. For a quick and simple approach, I am adding a bright, eye-catching color to the background of this text to make the text stand out. You get this in Effects. I change the roundness and spread as I see fit, and I can change the color too. Seriously, keep it simple, keep it bold, but don't overcomplicate it. I make sure the text is aligned and it doesn't look crowded. Be sure to pick a font and color that contrasts well with your background. In this case, I'm using black text, And the other one I am using white text on a black background to make it pop. Feel free to play around with the color of the text as well. Lastly, review your design. Make sure your images and text are balanced and everything is clear. When you're happy with how it looks, go to the top right corner, click the download button, and save your masterpiece as a PNG or JPEG. And just like that, your custom YouTube thumbnail is ready to grab attention. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the 5 key points to remember when creating a great thumbnail. Number 1, keep it simple, avoid clutter and distractions. A clear, focused design works best. Number 2, use bold, readable text. Your text should be big, bold, and easy to read, even on smaller screens. Number 3, use high-resolution images and avoid pixelation. Number 4, use eye-catching colors. Use vibrant colors and strong contrast to make your thumbnail stand out in a crowded feed. Number 5, express emotion or action. Thumbnails that show emotion or a sense of action tend to grab more attention. If you can nail these 5 points, your thumbnails will not only look great, but also help boost your click-through rate and attract more viewers. Lastly, there are only 3 steps to creating a powerful thumbnails. Number 1, put a background. Number 2, put an image. Number 3, put text, and that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick and easy design tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.